Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about meal kit services and what are the best healthy options available in the market. Now, in recent years, meal kit delivery services have gotten more and more popular since they're a healthier and easier alternative to cooking and prepping meals yourself at home. And so I've tested a lot of these meal kits to see which ones came out on top in terms of healthiness and overall value for your money. So if you're looking for a service that fits your lifestyle or just want to know more about these services, this video is going to be for you. And without further ado, let's get into it. Also, if at any point you'd like to try any of these services, you'll find discount links in the description to help save you some extra money. Now, for starters, meal kit delivery services are basically companies that make cooking at home a lot easier and more convenient. They send you all the ingredients you need for a meal, pre-measured and ready to go right to your door. This means that you don't have to worry about going to the grocery store and trying to figure out what to buy for dinner. These meal kits usually come with a recipe that's easy to follow, so you can cook up a tasty and healthy meal without too much effort. It's a great option for busy people who don't have a lot of time to plan and shop for meals, or for those who just want to mix up their cooking routine with new recipes and cuisines. Plus, if you have specific dietary needs or preferences, there are meal kit services that can cater to those as well. But there are a lot of meal kit services out there. Some don't have a lot of healthy options in their menus, and some do, but they don't offer that much value for the money. And so I've been trying out various meal kit services, and after going through different options, I've decided on HelloFresh, Blue Apron, and Factor 75 as the three best services overall. They each come with a huge variety of meals and recipes, as well as various prices and distinguishable features that help them stand out as their own unique meal kit service. Additionally, they all offer a range of meal plans and dietary options to cater to many lifestyles, and that's why I chose these as my top 3 choices, but it all depends on your needs and preferences, as one of them may be the best option for you, and I'll be explaining why. First, we start with HelloFresh, which has been one of my favorite meal kit services so far. They cover a wide range of mouth-watering international cuisines and have a huge catalog of over 2,500 recipes that rotate in their weekly menus. Now, with HelloFresh, you can order either 2 or 4 servings per meal and up to 6 meals per week. So unlike the average 16 servings per week that's common between most meal services, with HelloFresh you can order up to 24 servings per week. Now, like most other meal kit services, HelloFresh send their ingredients with step-by-step recipe cards, but they're made to be incredibly easy to follow and cater to all cooking skill levels. So whether you're a novice cook just starting out or an experienced chef looking to cook new and exciting delicious foods, they've got you covered. And to top it all off, HelloFresh accommodates more dietary preferences than any other service with their 6 different meal plans. And yes, that includes vegan-friendly, plant-based diets as well. HelloFresh also has the user's experience as their top priority, as they highlight any potential allergens in all of their recipes. And they take weekly feedback to improve their meals and stay on top of food trends. So if you're looking for an all-rounder meal kit service, HelloFresh is your easy go-to. Then we have Blue Apron, and this is going to be the best in terms of flavor, as the food essentially tastes like excellent restaurant quality food, offering you the opportunity to learn new cooking techniques and expand your culinary skills through their nuanced meal kits. Now, granted, some of the recipes will take a little longer to prepare, but the meal kits are designed to introduce you to not just traditional recipes, but also exotic recipes and intricate flavor combinations. And just like HelloFresh, each recipe comes with step-by-step instructions and photos that guide you through the cooking process. Blue Apron also has a variety of dietary options available, though most of the recipes are not vegan friendly and they do not accommodate individual allergies. But Blue Apron offers premium ingredients, and following their recipes is nearly the equivalent of taking gourmet cooking training from the comfort of your own home. And so if you're looking to expand your culinary skills, try out new exotic recipes that teach you a thing or two about flavor balancing, and also have a premium gourmet food that'll surpass most restaurants, then Blue Apron's the right choice for you. And then lastly, Factor 75 is the best option if you want to save as much time as possible without sacrificing quality. Factor 75 offers a variety of healthy, pre-cooked meals that accommodate a variety of dietary preferences, including plant-based diets, which is a great option if you don't have time to cook. Also, the meals are well-balanced, tasty, and satisfying with a wide variety to choose from. Now, even though it's a little pricier than the other services, you're essentially paying for the convenience of having premium meals cooked for you, and all you need to do is heat them up in a microwave or oven. Plus, the company sources high-quality ingredients, uses sustainable cooking practices, and unlike most heat-and-eat microwave food, Factor's recipes are exceptionally tasty, which immediately sets them apart from the other pre-cooked meal delivery services that are on the market. So ultimately, if you prefer to have your food prepared for you, or if you're just too busy to cook your own meals and just want something fast and easy to prepare, but without sacrificing on the quality of food and on your health, then Factor 75 is the most suitable choice for you. And so, to sum things up, these meal kit services are the best the market has to offer. HelloFresh is your best choice if you're looking for a huge variety of delicious options and recipes that are super easy to follow regardless of your cooking skills, which also accommodate allergies and many dietary preferences that are guaranteed to satisfy your friends and family. Now, Blue Apron is the #1 choice if you're looking for gourmet level recipes that may keep you just a little longer in the kitchen, but in return, not only are you making really good restaurant level food, but you're also significantly improving your culinary skills along the way. And finally, Factor 75 is certainly the best convenient choice if you simply don't have time to cook, but still want to eat high quality pre-cooked meals that are also nutrient dense, healthy, and tailored to a wide range of dietary needs. So overall, these are the 3 healthy meal kit delivery services that I believe are the best on the market currently. They offer a lot of healthy options as well as a lot of other features that make them stand out from their competitors. And of course, if you'd like to give any of these services a try, you'll find discount links as well as in-depth reviews in the description down below. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it or found it informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. And if you've tried any of these services before, I'd really love to hear your thoughts in the comments down below. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Stay classy, and I'll see you in the next video.